Hello people, welcome back. And in today's session, we are going to learn about the Juran Trilogy. So Joseph M. Juran is one of the very famous quality pioneer, quality mentor. He discovered the technique for the quality management. Many people, what do we see? We directly jump into the Lean and Six Sigma implementation. We jump into the automation and all. He said all these things are okay. But there is a structured way of quality management. So first and foremost thing in this, we look for the quality control. Once you have identified the quality control, this is what the basic structure, and the quality control will come through the quality planning. So he said step by step we should go. First we'll go for the quality planning, then we'll go for the quality control, and then we will go for the quality improvement. He suggested something like as when we start going for the quality control, this means it is expected for us what we are going to control that should be planned well. And when it's come to the planning, he said that you can start understanding who is your customer. So when I talk about quality planning means identify customers. Who are your customers? Then you need to determine what is the need of the customer. Identify what my customer is looking for. Then you need to develop the process that will be able to produce the product or the features as per the customer need. Then you need to establish the controls in the process and then transfer the plan to the operating forces. This will come in the planning. When you talk about the control, then in quality control, Mr. Juran said that you need to first evaluate the actual performance. Once the actual performance is evaluated, then compare with the goals. What is your actual performance versus goals? What is your performance is coming? And then take the action. So basically he said, act on the differences. In case your quality established as a 98% you have to achieve and you are at 96%, so there is a 2% of the gap, then you need to act on that. When come to the third step, which is the quality improvement. So Mr. Juran said about the quality improvement that prove the need established and the infrastructure, which means you have to first find out that what is the need you have. Do you really have a proper infrastructure for the need, or you are just looking for the output, but you did not establish any infrastructure? Once the infrastructure basic is established, then identify the improvement opportunity, which generally we apply Lean and Six Sigma here to identify the opportunities. Then you will be establish the project teams, which means create a team. Team is established, then you need to provide the resources to the team, like as training and other infrastructure to the team. And then next thing you will go, you need to diagnose the causes, which means identify the root cause, find out what is the actionable for you, and then develop the improvement plan. So he said in very simple word, okay, Lean and Six Sigma, all the methods are good. But if you do not go with the proper planning, which means when you identify who is your customer and what they want, then you are establishing those parameters in the quality control. In case there is a gap in the parameter, then you will go for the quality improvement. So quality planning, quality control, and quality improvement. These are the three main pillars for the quality management. And as per Mr. Juran, Joseph M. Juran, he said, start first with the planning. Once you are at par, what is your expectation from the customer and the processes? Then go and achieve the minimum expectation level. In case you are not able to achieve, then go for the implementation of Lean and Six Sigma. That's what is part of the Juran Trilogy. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next session.